Today I'm going to be reviewing Vitamatic Folic Acid 1000 micrograms. This is what it looks like. There's the bottle right there. Why? I'm not pregnant, but I do want to review this. I want to thank Vitamatic for sending this to me to review. Obviously, it is good for healthy fetal development and nervous system. There's other reasons people take folic acid. This is the size of the pill, not big at all, just in case you were worried about it. It's not a horse pill, not a horse pill at all. What's really nice is it's made in the USA. This is also free of sugar, starch, soy, yeast, corn, wheat, egg, artificial color, flavor, and preservatives. 240 tablets. They do sell 480. Save a little bit if you buy more. 4.8 stars, everyone. 6,833 reviews. That right there is already spectacular. Last month, October 2025, this sold 6,000, over 6,000 October 2025. So it does really well. It's inexpensive. If you're looking for folic acid, this is the way to go. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.